Hi everyone, my name is Risha. Today is the 7th of April 2024 and I'm going to be going over my weekly option chain analysis for S&P 500 for the week ending on 12. We can see that both the CE and PE have gone down, which is negative. Quantity is higher for CE, which is negative. The change is higher for PE, which is positive. Short squeeze is higher for CE, which is positive. PCR is still overbought, that is negative. Implied volatility is higher. Historical volatility is lower, so that's a negative and a positive respectively. RSI is lower, which is negative. Divergence does not exist, which is positive. ADX is higher, positive. ATR is higher, that's negative. EMAs both are higher, so that's two positives. VWAP is lower, so that's negative. Pivot point is higher, that's positive. Candlestick is bearish this week, so it's negative. So all in all, the new support is 5,200. New resistance is 5,250. Previous week's support was 5,300, and previous week's resistance was 5,300. Same. And this week, the trend is neutral according to option chain analysis. So that's all for now. Thank you for watching. Enjoy, and I will see you in the next video.